What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Sai, and right now we're gonna restore these OG dunks from the year 2010. And as you can see, he's well done, cooked, bad shape. I forgot what they was called. He told me the name of them. I did the knowledge and I searched them up. Upon my search, the cheapest pair of these is going for like $800. I found a size 13, $9,500. You don't believe me? My mind was blown too. Stock X right now is hitting for $4,500, which is crazy. I love SBs, they fire, but sheesh. So these is worth a little ticket right here, man. 10 G's for a size 13. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. We're gonna get right. Need some work, a lot of work. Let's do it. Skeletor SBs from 2010, and before we start, we need a few items. The items we'll be using today: we're going to just brush these things on out. Our eraser, find those dirty spots really on the suede, like you can probably see them good on the camera. I'm going one way with the suede, and I'm coming back the other way. We're gonna grab our kiwi suede cleaner. Spray that suede a little bit on the corners. I like to always start on the inside of the shoe. That suede cleaner, putting in work. And next, we're gonna be giving these a nice little deep clean. I got some OxyClean detergent mixed up, about 20-80 ratio. 20 detergent, 80 water. I like to use a little tool. Sometimes I use a screwdriver, anything sharp to get into the grooves. And this just makes life easier. Let's get it. Bottom looking crispy. Let's move to the next step. Start with the bottoms, then hit the midsole, then hit the suede. You know, people be afraid of hitting the suede with the water, but you just gotta be light with it, that's all. Just don't oversaturate it and everything will be cool. So what I like to do with the suede kicks, I like to dab them out with a dry towel and dab them out. Looking good, looking good. All right, after 24 hours of dry time, we back. Boy, I must say, these is looking real good. Deep clean did them justice. I'm real happy with the results. Bottom's crispy. Before we run them before and afters, we got one last step. Gonna hit them with this mink oil. Hell yeah. You got your $4,500 Skeletor SB Dunks from 2010. Came back real fresh. We're gonna get these back to my boy. That pretty much concludes our restoration. Thanks for rocking with me, and until next time, we out of here. One love.